This trick is called the stiff rope. I have a little bit of rope here, and if I just give the rope a little bit of a rub, you'll see that the rope starts to tense up. And the rope is back to normal. Let me show you how this works. This trick is very easy. While it looks dramatic and difficult to do, very easy to do. What you have here is you have a length of rope, but inside this rope, if you could feel this rope, it has almost like a skeleton in there, okay? When you hold the rope, and for demonstration purposes, we're going to say up and down, okay? When these are pointing down, this is downwards. When it's pointing up, you'll see upwards, okay? When you hold the rope downwards, the rope stays limp, okay? Now, if you notice, I rub the rope a bunch of times, and that is to condition your audience and condition your students the idea of rubbing the rope, so that when the rope stays stiff, it's magical. You grab the rope and you hold it about 3 or 4 times. Now, each time, what you're doing is you're slowly rotating the rope, okay, like you're turning a key. And what happens is when you turn the rope all the way, the rope stands stiff. If I turn the rope just a little bit, the rope goes limp. And you're not turning your wrist, you're turning your fingers, okay? Magic will happen on its own. The rope will then stand on its own, like so. You can wave your hand on top and on bottom to show that the rope is, there's no thread or string. You can then, if you'd like to, slowly, right, with the hand that's holding on to the rope stiff, turn it to make the rope vertical, go back down, and then when you snap your fingers or wave your hand, the children will be saying the magic words. They will say Hobby Quest, and when they say Hobby Quest, the rope will magically go back limp. So if you wave like this and you say Hobby Quest, the rope will go down limp. And that is the stiff rope.